first. Snack. Discharge by pressing the power button. Take a discharge, we can try it again. If it works. If it works. All good. We've got a wheel. I just noticed something really annoying because I need to get this off. It's not enough room here, and if I get to this location it's gonna be really tough to remove it like this. I want to have the leverage, so let's find a solution for that. God damn it. Okay, found some tools. See if some of these will work. That means that when I attach these again, I need to put really good force on it. Now look at this. That made it worse. Grabbing things from inside and trying to get it out and just spreading it in the wrong places. Also, I did this. Move this, turn it like this, and I can get it off. So the one that has the motor number is the side with the cable, just so you know. Hold on. So I need to remove these bearings, right? So I need to have something to make sure that when I heat this up, the cover is gonna fall off, right? So I have a glass and a baking dish kind of thingy, so I can I'm gonna show you. Let's do it like this. I put this glass upside down and it will fit this, so when this one hits up, it's gonna fall off, leave the bearings behind, and it's gonna fall down towards the glass. That's my point, or that's my goal at least. But as soon as I do that, it's gonna be enough heat. I need to remove this or place this on something so I can start heating it again to keep it warm, so I can drop in the new bearing. And that's where this comes in, because it can take that heat, hopefully, and I can place this on top of it and start heating it, and then just drop the bearing in. And that's my plan. Let's see if it works. Stages. then we'll look at this, because as you can see there's some stuff in it. I need to clean that up. I really need to. If we don't get this aligned properly because of this, or I don't feel like having dirt between the bearing and the motor cover is going to be that good. So let's fix it up. Yes, nice. Let's do it. Let's redo it. It's clean. I can feel good about it. And just leave it until it has cooled down to room temperature. So it moves down pretty nicely. Need to place some Loctite on each screw. Loctite. So. That. Touch it. There we go. Nice. Let's fix this. Why is just a little bit of force in the wrong direction and you will just cut these small ones off and then, well, fucked. Just need to think of that, and then let's attach this. Nice. Check the other side. Nice. Well done. Let's reattach this and try it out. And I don't need to show that the whole attachment to the wheel. I'm just gonna cut and then section over.